Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today I'm going to just do something to the pattern that we made last time, and just kind of show you an easy way of taking this big old pattern and reducing it down to maybe a more manageable size. 48 strings is an awful lot. So what if we make it 24? We could just take this whole section to the right, delete it. Maybe we paint that area in white, and see now the edge isn't so good, right? We don't have that edge like we want to show us where the strings are going. So grab this select tool again. We collect everything here on the left hand side, copy, paste it, and then take our flip tool, go to the center line, and there we go. We can now layer, anchor that flip loading layer and merge it down. And now we have it exactly perfect for a 24 string. So we went from 48 to 24. Well, maybe we want to reduce it down even more. How can we do that? Well, first let's duplicate this, because I'm going to save that other one because that'll be a great pattern to work on. And let's make it smaller still. So to do that, I'm going to zoom in really well here. I got my little directional arrow thing, and I can just snap a guideline in and almost center. Let's see, can we, yeah, right down the middle of the thing right there. So like before, we will take out this side over here, delete, get our paint bucket, paint that in white again, grab our select tool, grab, oh, we didn't grab quite all of it, did we? And select tool again, let's take out that one, paint it white. Now select tool up to that guideline, Control C, Control V, flip tool, and there we go. Now we're down to a 12 string. Go back to layer, anchor it, and merge it down. And now we have a 12 string bracelet. And yeah, I'll probably make that one. That one's pretty cool. I just thought it'd be kind of fun to show you how we could change this around and make a couple different patterns. So now over on the website, I'll just put it all on one page, will be the 48, the 24, and the 12 string. So there you guys have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Yeah, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.